Welkom die seksgod, die popster, Armand Joubert.
Thank you for that marvelous introduction. Kyk, as ek nou, kyk jy weet die guys aspire to be certain women and you're the one.
Dink jy?
As ek kon terugkom as a girl, I would have chosen you.
Weet jy?
You're the fag hag.
Ek weet dankie, ek wil al take it.
'n mengsel tussen 'n YDE, Temu and believe it or not, but a Mr. Price.
Ek love him, Mr.
Weet jy wat kan ek vir die fancy woord leer? As jy nou vir iemand wil sê jy koop by Mr. Price, maar wil dit fancy laat klink. As jy ek koop by MR Parisi.
Okay, just for the audience, ek het so groot Playboy bunny op my bout getattoo.
Yes. I flipped the whole house. Ek breek elke TV in die huis, my skat. What do you mean? You invited your ex? Askie?
Ja,
Ek dink nie.
Ek wil so graag Amerika toe gaan, ek gaan nog.
Ek wil Turkey toe gaan.
Yo, what are you gonna go do there?
I want to smoke shisha.
Wait, jy gaan nie nou doen.
Nee. Maybe. Nee, ek wil net gaan. Ek van shisha is soos hubbly.
O, ek
Ja.
ook. Dis
So ek wil net gaan sit in Turkye en kos eet en shisha rook.
Ek sal Turkey toe gaan om drie boobs te
It is
laat
cheap,
insit.
though. Yeah, so that's the place to go.
I'm going to watch this space back.
Yeah.